Good day everyone. Let's start our lesson by recalling and describing pyramids. A pyramid is a solid figure that has one polygonal base, okay, and it has also triangular faces. Now the name of the pyramid depends on the shapes of its base. In this figure, it is called rectangular pyramid since the base is rectangle. The number of triangular faces also depends on the number of sides of the base. So this rectangular pyramid has 4 triangular faces since there are 4 sides of a rectangle. Now here are some nets of pyramids. We have here triangular pyramid because the base is triangle with 3 faces or triangular faces. Square pyramid, hexagonal pyramid since the base is a hexagon with 6 triangular faces. Rectangular pyramid, and this one is pentagonal pyramid, and many more other kinds or names of pyramids depending on its base. Our lesson focuses on getting the surface area of pyramids, specifically square and rectangular pyramids only. Now again, going back to the meaning of surface area, it is the sum of all the areas of the faces of a certain solid figure, and the sum of the areas measured is the surface area of the solid figure. So if we have here a square pyramid, right, what we're going to do is find its surface area that measures 10 centimeters for its side of the base and 14 centimeters for the height of the triangle or the slant height of the pyramid. Note that the slant height of the pyramid is the height of the triangle. Now again, to find for the surface area of this figure, we need to get the area of each shape, and it's easier for us to visualize and get the area of each shape if we make a net of the square prism, like this one. Okay, and this 14 centimeters here is the height of the triangle, but it's the slant height of the pyramid. And since the base is a square, then all of the sides are equal. So what we're going to do is to find first the area of its base. So area is s times s, or s squared, which is 8 centimeters. Multiply that is 64 square centimeters. Now, let's get the area of one of the triangles. We have the base is 8 centimeters and the height is 14 centimeters. Multiply it and divide with 2. So we have 112 divided by 2. We have 56 square centimeters. So this 56 square centimeters is the area of one of the triangles here. But take note that these 4 triangles are equal. So what we're going to do is to just multiply this 56 square centimeters times 4 so that we can get the areas of the 4 triangles, since again they are equal. So the area of the 4 triangles is 224 square centimeters. Then to find for the surface area of this net, we add 224 plus 64. We get 288 square meters, and that is the surface area of this square pyramid. Now let's analyze and try to figure out the formula for the surface area of square pyramid without getting its net every time we solve for its surface area. Now again, if the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2, then we multiply it to 4. So we have here base times height divided by 2, then we multiply it to 4. Since there are 4 equal triangles, we get 4 BH divided by 2, then we simplify. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Answer is 2 base times height, right? Plus the area of the base, which is a square, which is s squared. Therefore, we can say that the formula for the surface area of square pyramid is s squared. This is the area of the square of the base plus the area of 4 triangles. Where did we get this 2BH? We get the area of one triangle, then we multiply it to 4 since there are 4 triangles, and then we simplify, we have 2BH. So this is the area of the square pyramid. If it is rectangular pyramid, we get the area of the base, which is length times width, since it's rectangle. And take note that these 4 triangles are not equal, since the side of the bases are not all equal. But these two triangles are equal, this one, and these two triangles are also equal. So we get the area of the two triangles. We have base times height divided by 2 times 2. So this is the area of these two triangles. Then we have 2BH divided by 2. Then we simplify. We have base 1 times height. Then how about these two triangles here? They are equal. So we multiply base times height divided by 2. Multiply to 2 since there are two equal triangles. Then simplify. It's going to be base 2 times the height. Okay, so since this is the base 1 of the triangle and this is the base 2 of the triangle of this triangle, or vice versa. Therefore, for the area of, or the surface area of a rectangular pyramid, we have length times width. This is the base of the pyramid. Then B1 times H is the areas of the two triangles here, and base 2 times height is the two areas of these two triangles here. So if the pyramid is rectangular pyramid, you use this formula, and if it is a square pyramid, you use this formula. Let's have more examples. We have here, find the surface area of the figure. So the measurement is, the side is 16 centimeters, and since this is a square pyramid, we use the formula s squared plus 2bh. Then we substitute the given. So the side is 16 centimeters, then we double it, plus 2 times the base is 16 centimeters and the height is 15 centimeters. Then simplify. 16 times 16, we have 256. Then 16 times 15 times 2, we have 480 square centimeters. Then we add the two numbers. We have 736 square centimeters. So the surface area of this square pyramid is 736 square centimeters. Next, we have here the net of a pyramid, which is also a square pyramid. So using the formula, which is the area of the square, s squared plus 2 base times height, is the surface area of the square pyramid. Substitute 10 inches, then double it, plus 2 times the base is 10 inches times 3 inches for the height of the triangle, or the slant height of the pyramid. So we have 100 square inches plus 10 times 3 is 30 times 2. We have 60 square inches. Therefore, our surface area of this figure is 160 square inches. Next, this one is a rectangular pyramid. So if it is a rectangular pyramid, the surface area formula is length times width plus base 1 times height plus base 2 times height. So let's find this first. Length times width, which is 8 times 5. Then the base 1 is 8 times 12, since the height of the triangle is 12. So all of the height of these triangles are equal, which is 12 centimeters. It only varies on the base. So this one, base 1 is 8 centimeters times the 12. And this part here, these triangles here, the base are 5s, or the base is 5 centimeters. So we have simplify 40 square centimeters plus 96 square centimeters plus 60 square centimeters. We added give 3 numbers. We have 196 square centimeters for the surface area of the rectangular prism. Okay, now let's apply surface area in a word problem. So Janice and Julian are planning to make a square pyramid tent. They plan to have a base of 6 feet wide and a height, or a slant height of the pyramid, which is 8 feet. How much canvas will they need? So it's given here that it is a square pyramid tent. We use this formula, s squared plus 2 base times height. Then the base is, or the side measures 6 feet. So we have 6 times 6. 6 feet times 6 feet plus 6 feet times 8. We simplify that. We have 36 square centimeters. 2 times 6 times 8 is 96 square feet. Then we add the 2. We have 132 square feet. So they need 132 square feet of canvas. Next word problem. The roof of a building in the form of a square pyramid has a slant height of 8 meters, and a base measuring 8 meters on a side. What is the surface area of its roof? Take note that the roof here does not include the ceiling or the base of the pyramid. Therefore, we just get the total area of its triangular faces. And we use the formula here to BH. We don't need to get the area of the base, which is S squared, right? We just get the areas of the 4 triangles here that forms the roof. So we have 2 times the base is 8 meters times the height is 8 meters. We have 64 square centimeters times 2, so the surface area is 128 square centimeters. So what is the surface area of the roof? The surface area, the total area of the roof is 128 square meters. Again, in applying word problems involving surface area, please analyze properly since there are other faces or bases that are not included. And that's all about the surface area of pyramids. I hope that you learned something from the video.